Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. It's Gorilla here, and today we are diving deep down into Injective, why billionaires are backing it, and why their unique coin burn is a huge for holders. So let's jump right in. So what exactly is Injective? Simply put, it is a blockchain made just for the financial world. While other networks give developers a blank piece of paper, Injective gives them a fully loaded toolbox built strictly for trading apps. Let's look at the speed, because as traders, speed is everything. Injective processes blocks in less than a second, literally before you can blink. Your trade is finalized, and the cost to make that trade less than a single penny. It is completely frictionless, and the big players in finance are noticing. Injective has backing from massive names like Binance, Panthera Capital, and Mark Cuban. We are even seeing Wall Street step in, with Canary Capital filing paperwork for an Injective ETF. Public companies are starting to hold the ING token in their corporate treasuries. The smart money is already here. Now, if you are a trader, here's the biggest reason you should care about Injective. If you use the normal decentralized exchange, you have probably been a victim of something called MEV. MEV. That's when a bot sees your trade, jumps in front of you, and steals a tiny bit of profits. Injective fixes this completely. They use a system that groups all the orders together and executes them at the exact same price all at once. This makes it mathematically impossible for bots to front run you. You get the exact same price you clicked on. It is hands down one of the fairest places to trade in all crypto. Because the technology is so good, the apps being built on Injective are top tier. Check their main exchange called Helix. If you go trade on Helix right now, you won't even believe it's decentralized exchange. It's incredibly smooth. You can trade spot, perpetuals, and brand new coins with zero gas fees. It looks and feels just like a major centralized exchange. And Injective just made it incredibly easy for developers to join. They recently made their network fully compatible with Ethereum. That means developers can take their apps from Ethereum, copy the code, and paste it directly onto Injective. They get to escape Ethereum's high fees and instantly upgrade to Injective's blazing speed. Finally, let's talk about the native coin, ING, and why holding it is so interesting. You can stake the coin to earn passive income, but the best part in Injective burn, every single week the network takes 16% of all the fees generated by the apps on its system. They auction those fees off, and the ING coins used to pay for them are burned, meaning they are destroyed and removed from the supply forever. In fact, the community recently completed a massive buyback, burning nearly 6.8 million ING coins. At the time, that was worth over $32 million. It is a perfect cycle. The more people trade on Injective, the more fees are created, and the more fees created, the more INGs gets burned. The crypto market has a lot of competition, but Injective has secured its spot for focusing 100% on trading and finance. Whether you are a normal trader tired of paying gas fees or a huge institution looking for the best technology, Injective is the network to beat right now. So if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.